Hello everyone, welcome to our new video on SCADA. The program of the day is soap making process. Soap making process is the process to make soap. So simply what we want to do is that we've divided the work into two programs. The first program we do the mixing, we mix different components of the soap. The soap is made up of milk and oil, you see. So in the first program what we do is that we mix everything, and then in the second part of the program we do the cutting. We cut it in different pieces to get the soaps, you see. So let me introduce you to the different components of the program and how it works. So basically we have the tank number one, and with the tank number one we mix four components. We have farm milk, then coconut oil. There are two in these two small tanks, and then we have cacao butter. Cacao butter has a texture like a butter, so it's not a liquid, it's rather something like butter, you see. And then soybean oil, that's why we use conveyor to carry them into the tank number one. And then we have a level indicator which is going to indicate at which how filled is tank number one. And then we have a mixer to mix everything Then after mixing everything with our mixer number one, you have the valve number one and valve number two. They'll have to open, and then the pump will start pumping the liquid from the tank number one to the tank number two. And when we get to tank number two, we add three other components: exotic oil, castor oil, and then olive oil. We add it to the previous liquid we got, and then after that what we do is that we heat it. So the heater will start heating it. The pressure has to be between 44 degrees Celsius and 60, between 44 and 60. So after heating it, after warming the final product, what we do is that automatically the valve number 4 will open, and we'll get our liquid into tank number 3. And then in the tank number 3 what we have to do is that we mix it again to homogenize the product. Homogenize the product is that the particles of the product must be equally shared into the product, you see. So we use, because this part is really important, that mixing has to be perfectly done. Then we use two mixers, and the one particular thing with the mixer is that we don't want the mixer to start mixing. Mixing once it's already inside the product, because the product has a heavy texture. You see, the texture is heavy. So when the motor is inside something heavy, let's not take the case of water, but the case of, butter, something with fat, something when the motor is merged inside, it cannot rotate easily. So what we do is that the mixer will start mixing, the motor will be rotating before it enters into our product. And then once it's going to be inside, it will now start mixing and get our product completely homogenized. Yeah, so now let me do the simulation of the video so that you have a further understanding on what is going on. Okay, let's go. Sorry for the quality of the video and the sound, but I hope you still enjoy it. Okay, let's start. Okay, components are adding up. So now the mixer will get into the tank number one and start mixing before it gets to the level of the product. So what we do is that after some researches, we program that, we find out that it's a certain, now you see, now here products are mixed. The valve number 1 and 2 opened, and then the pump transferred the product from tank number 1 to tank number 2, and then now we start heating it. The thing is warming, the heater is warming the product, 1 minute, 9.5, almost 8.5, almost 6. Then valve number 4 opens, and then we get our product to tank number 3, where we are going to do the final mixing. What we do is that, I was saying with the mixer number 1, what we do is that we made some researches that the product has to be mixed for, let me say, 30 minutes. So the mixer will be mixing the product, homogenizing the product for 30 minutes. And then after those 30 minutes, we can continue with different steps. But because we cannot reproduce that time in our program, so we use it to some seconds. We are using 10 seconds. So yeah, now it's going to be, so now that product will be taken, and we are going to use it into the second part of the program for the cutting into pieces of the soaps. Okay, thank you. I hope you've enjoyed the video and you learned something from this video. I really encourage you guys to like, share, and comment the video. Whether you like it or not, I already got your views, so just like, share, and comment. Recommend it to your friends so that they can either like it or not. Just give them the opportunity to dislike it. That's all. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I will see you very soon, guys, in the next video. Take care. May God be with you. Peace.